Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by locking access and showing a contact message. Sign in to find my iPhone or find my device on a second device. Enter your account credentials now. Once signed in, choose lock or lost mode and set a passcode and a message with a reachable number. This prevents casual access and stops payment apps. Also enable location tracking so you can see movement. Make sure to leave the device connected to the network for updates. Once the device is locked, you need to cut account access and protect finances. Change passwords for your Apple ID or Google account, email, and key services. Sign devices out where possible. Freeze or remove payment methods from Apple Pay or Google Pay and notify your bank to block cards. If you fear permanent loss, choose Remote Wipe. Understand that erasing the phone removes location reporting, so use wipe only. Finally, escalate to authorities and your carrier to complete protection. File a police report and give the IMEI or serial number along with the last seen location. This helps if recovery occurs. Call your mobile carrier to suspend service and request IMEI blacklisting to prevent reuse. Keep monitoring account activity and change passwords for anything accessed from the phone. If tracking resumes, share updates with police. Troubleshooting tip: if location stops, presume a remote wipe occurred and focus on account recovery and fraud alerts.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.